and gentlemen, are you ready to see the next big thing? Let's hear it for the new Gen 6!
Hi, I'm Jeff Bell, Chief Operating Officer of Tangent Studios and CEO of Tangent Labs. Tangent has been working with Intel basically since the inception of Tangent Animation itself. In the early days, it was all about the hardware. Intel Xeon processors and other processors for the workstations and the render blades. Once we discovered that there were some very interesting open source pieces that Intel offered on the rendering side, the relationship became even more important to us.
You're coming with me, young lady.
NextGen was a feature-length animation created for Netflix. Really, it's about what it means to be human and what it means to be friends. We utilized Blender, an open source digital content creation package, in order to produce the show. What it allowed us to do was to push more of the budget into people and more of the budget into developers to work with companies like Intel to incorporate Intel open source components into Blender to create a higher quality show for Netflix. We utilized Embry for final renders on NextGen, and we used the Open Image Denoiser on the desktops for our lighting artists to decrease the time to go into final render. The speed increases that we saw using Embry on NextGen allowed us to do some pretty incredible things with regards to the complexity of the scenes. On frames that had heavy motion blur, where there's a lot of motion with characters or props or the camera moving, we sometimes saw 5 to 6 times faster renders utilizing the Embry render core, which is incredible. The predictability and the speed increases that Embry provided us gave us the ability to actually execute at a much higher visual quality while still staying on time and on budget.
Hello. Maybe we could try and be friends.
For Tangent, it's all about pushing what's possible with technology and putting more on the screen while contributing back to the community. Our collaboration with Intel, leveraging the oneAPI Rendering Toolkit and support for universal scene description, allows us to do just that. We believe that Intel's ability to continue to deliver visualization at ever high quality on an open platform is the right approach, and we look forward to our continued collaboration that benefits both Tangent and the community at large.